Hi, Beanbeauties, Dee Bean here. How you doing today? And the little pitter patter of Bella. Okay, you want to say hello? Let's see if I can get her. It's me and Bella today again. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, if you want to see what I'm going to try to open, and hopefully Bella won't get into it with me too much, then come on back and we'll see it, check it out in a little bit. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, thank you so much for being here. This has been a week of craziness. The dogs have been cooped up. We've been cooped up. I've been cooped up. It's been raining. It's just, and cold. Today it's still raining, but it's so hot and humid. It's nasty. But I have some Vera Bradley / Bath and Body Works collab with y'all to share with y'all. And the best part of it is that it was a gift. It was a gift. Bella, stop. It was a gift from Reed, from What's on My Shelf. If you have not subscribed to her yet or are not aware of her, please head over to her channel. I will link her channel down below, and I will also put her picture up above as well too. Now Chica's coming. Okay, Chica, you want to say hello now? Okay. No, you don't want to say hello? Okay, yeah, take her back with you. She came to collect Bella. So Ree has had the shingles, and I can say that because she posted it up on her channel. She was gone for a little while, came back, and then has been gone again too. And I knew that she was sick. I had checked on her. She checked on me. And so I knew that she had been sick, but I didn't know that she was, had been hospitalized. And so from complications of that, she also has an autoimmune disease. So thus, you know, we bonded over that as well too. But in the middle of all that, the crazy lady sent me a gift, thinking about me gift, and she was able to grab the collection from Vera Bradley. And I went on there right after I watched her video, and the one thing that I wanted, they didn't have it. But don't worry, y'all, I'm a hunter and I found it, and I'll show it to you at the after I open all of these, okay? But what she came up with that she sent me was from the Peach Blossom collection. This is the candle. I have never had, no wait, have I had Bath and Body Works candles? I was gonna say I've never had Vera Bradley candles, which I haven't, but this is a Bath and Body Works candle. It is really pretty. I will try to put the notes up, but no, you know what, better go over to her channel. She'll tell you all about the notes and stuff. She describes it much better. She's really good at describing scents, but it is a peachy, but it's not one of those artificial peaches. It's a very subtle peach. It does not hit you over the head with artificial smell. So it's a 3-wick candle too, which I like a 3-wick candle because they tend to burn a little bit more even. And I heard Bath and Body Works candles are supposed to be really good. So I'm definitely liking that. And I love the color. I love the color. So when this is gone, I'm going to try to save the glass. I have some tricks from the past, and hopefully I'll be able to do that. Okay, so she sent me that. And then she also sent me a hand sanitizer, which is also the Peach Blossom Nectar. So let's see. Now, tell me, y'all, I can hear it. Tell me. Make sure that I let it dry down before I smell it to get that alcohol so I don't make myself pass out. Oh yeah, it's just a sweet peachy smell, but it's got peach. It says peach blossom and nectar. I need to know what this is. I hope that okay, it's peach nectar, golden freesia. Oh, freesia. I like freesia. Sweet beechwood. Okay, so the earthiness, I think, of the beechwood is what tones the peach down, and it doesn't smell flowery at all. Not like, you just get the hint of the flower kind of like at the end. Okay, so the other thing that she's gave me was this. She sent this. This is a whole little packet thingy here. It's really cute. It says, thanks for your kindness, Bath and Body Works. And let's see, am I opening it? Okay, yeah, so it's a display. you pop it up, whoops, like this. It's got two little inserts like this, and you can display it on your counter. Later on, you can use it. This slides out, and this was a card, like a postcard or a to and from card that you can use. It also says send with love, so I'm imagining that you can send that as a postcard, and then you're left with this. I just think that that is adorable. But you can frame this separately, which I definitely like. Okay, I can't put it in there right now, back in there. It, like I said, it has some little slots that you can set it there, and then you can keep this displayed if you'd like. But these are the things that I like to reuse because these are so clever. When companies do things like this, some people think, well, that's like a waste, right? But for me, no, 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 not a waste. It's definitely something that I can reuse. I can probably take out the inserts. I can put some jewelry, some cards or whatever, display it like that. And I'll always remember. And the dogs are back in here. Pupper, out. Girls, out. Out, out. So in here is the gingham. This is the gingham gorgeous line. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. How pretty. Like the hot pink and the pink. Hubs is on his way home. I'm trying to beat that. So this is the fine fragrance mist. Let's see. I'm going for it, y'all. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, that smells really good. Oh, what are the notes in here? It has pink strawberries, really, peach nectar, peony blooms, really. I normally don't like things that are strawberry-ish in sprays like this because they tend to go too sweet. I know, me not wanting something sweet. Or too artificial, but this really tames it down. You know, I bet you it's the peonies that tames it down, and the peach, they picked a great peach for it. Then there's also body lotion, because you know, girls, men, we can't have too much lotion. Oh, okay. Oh, all right. This has different layers to it, like the different, it has the same thing, but it's pulling more of the peony blooms, but in a very nice fragrance layer with that. And then you have the body wash, which I won't be able to show you the body wash, but I might be able to. It smells good too. I'm going to try that. I'm going to stick that in my shower. And I can smell pretty. That's one thing I miss about having no backups of all this stuff and not buying anything for, you know, over 3 years. Because I started my no buy of the Bath and Body Works, no buy of makeup, no buy of the skincare back in 2017, 2018, after the kids all graduated and were kind of pretty much through college. Then I just started using the backups, started making sure, I mean, I always gave them gifts, but then I started using them, putting them out, and really trying to go through it so that I could use my stash. And then that is how I had money to get all of these down the line, because I just was saving. I was paying off bills, and then I was, you know, saving in my little fun money account, which now is probably to zero now. But that's how I was able to afford this luxury. Everyday luxury is what I do. We use our stuff here. Well, I don't know why I clap, sorry. We use our stuff. We definitely buy on sale. And it's even better when a wonderful, beautiful friend checks on you and wants to send you something for a pick-me-up. She actually did send me a card. Didn't you send me a card? You know what? In editing, wait, maybe this is it. I will have to look for it. And if I find it, I'll put it in editing. The dogs came in here and things went flying, so I had it all stacked right here, and of course I can't find it, but she included a really sweet message about everybody deserves to have a little pick-me-up every now and then, is what she said. And she knows kind of what I've been going through, and especially from one person who has autoimmune disease to another person who has autoimmune disease, you know they get it. You know they get it. So I wish you, my friend, lots of prayers, love, and good health, and hopefully you will bounce back. So Bella and I say bye. Say bye, Bella. Okay, here comes the jealousy. You want to say hello too? She's saying hello with her tail. Hold on. All right. Okay, Beanbeauties, thank you so much. Love y'all. Bye-bye. Like, subscribe, hype, all that fun stuff. Hold on. Hold on. Shoot, the dogs made me forget. The dogs made me forget of what was the thing that I wanted the most, and they were out, and I went on eBay and found this. And yes, I paid over it, but I needed to have it. I needed to have it. And it's going to go perfect with what she gave me. It is a little rain boot, and I'm using it right now. It's so cute. You put the hand sanitizer in here. Oh, see, they're calling me. They want to go outside. Isn't that just adorable, y'all? This is sold out on the website, so you're going to have to go on eBay or somewhere and find it. But it is cute. Oh my goodness. All righty, I'm going to insert this somewhere.